Hey there, I'm Jennifer Bands, and today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these keto peppermint mocha cookies. Hey guys, let's get started with these cookies. I've got 1.5 cups of almond flour in this bowl, and we're going to add the dry ingredients. That would be 1/2 cup of brown sugar sweetener. I like to use Swerve sugar-free sweetener. 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. You need cocoa for a mocha cookie. 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. That's our dry. Now we're going to add 1/3 cup of softened butter, 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of peppermint extract. You can find this at most any grocery store. That's going to give us some peppermint flavor. I'm going to use a hand mixer to get this all mixed together. And now we're going to fold in 1/2 cup of sugar-free white chocolate chips. Okay, I'm going to scoop the cookies out with a 2 tablespoon scoop. This recipe should make about 12 cookies. Okay, now I'm going to use my fingers. I wet my fingers, wash my hands, wet my fingers, and now I'm just going to flatten them to a little, like 1-inch thick discs. And you can push in the sides, just make sure that they're perfect little cookies. And now I've got some crushed peppermints here. And this step is optional. You don't have to add these, but I think it just makes them look more like peppermint cookies. And it really just adds very little in the amount of carbs, probably less than 1 carb per cookie. But it just really adds to the peppermint flavor and the looks. Okay, these are ready for the oven. These are going to bake in a 350-degree oven for about 12 minutes. Look at this amazing platter of peppermint mocha cookies. These look so good. They smell so good, just like peppermint. So let's try a bite. Well, they taste just like a peppermint mocha from Starbucks. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure you check out this recipe and take it to your holiday parties. No one's gonna know these are keto. They're so good. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.